Hello, welcome to CEA's tutorial of the Common Black College application. Okay, so we're at commonblackcollegeapp.com, and this is where you can go to send one application to one of its 66 member institutions for one $20 application fee. To get started, we're going to go to Apply Now. First things first, we're going to register, so odds are you're a student. Now, for students, you have two options. One, the Common Black College application, and the other is the practice version, and that's for students in 9th and 10th grade. Let's assume that you're applying this year, and go over here, continue. You'll provide basic information to create your account. Okay, so this is your dashboard. I'm going to head on over to Member Institutions. This is where you can review all of the colleges available to submit applications to through this application platform, and you can also search this way. So obviously this is your dashboard. Let's go start our application. First, you will select your grade level, get started, and then voila, you are in your application. So about you, high school, this is basic information. The college section, you'll be able to list your preferences of the schools you'd like to attend, family, final details, and then review and submit. If you go to account, you can update information about yourself as well as enable or disable certain notification settings. If you go to demos, you can find tutorials just like this one, but from CBCA students, portal overview, how to submit, after submission, etc. If you go over to this circle, you'll be able to see your application progress. I haven't submitted any. But if you have, you'll likely see application in progress, application submitted, whether you paid, and whether the school has started reviewing. Finally, if you run into any issues, you can always go to the Help tab. This is where you will be able to access FAQs, and if you can't find an answer to your question, ask a brand new one. A lot of our students have had really positive things to say about the Common Black College application platform. It's very straightforward and easy to use, and we wish you the very best of luck with your applications.